So it's always a good idea to do a little sample test before you actually make your product over here. So it helps with layering it. Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Diane, the owner of Vermont Lavender, and today I want to show you how I put the bath powder ingredients that maybe you saw in the previous video. If you haven't, I'll put that in the description box below, but I just want to show you how I put these together. So I have it, I think it's on the sea salt and lily, and this is a raspberry jam one. So hopefully this helps you with different products that you could make for your own business and you could sell throughout the season, because these are nice, beautiful, simple products to make, and they just take time. And they don't take a lot of ingredients, as you can see in other video. So without further ado, let's get to the video. So I have my cup right here, and I'm just going to start adding my mixture. So I'm just adding a little bit of the blue right here. bath bomb right here, and this is sea salt and lily with a little bit of oceany lily and jasmine kind of scent. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really would appreciate it. It really does help to get it out there to the YouTube algorithm. And if you have any comments or questions, just leave them in the comment section below. And the next video to watch, if you haven't watched it, is on making the bath powder itself. Alright friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.